and work for the peace which we are now enjoying. Myself, as the first Prime Minister who worked with him from 2007 to 2015, 14, we did a lot. I remember we went to the bush. We were the last people who left the bush in 2008, 9. We met the Utila coin, the coin, and when we left, they killed Utila coin. We stayed there for 2 weeks with the Rwot, persuading them to sign the peace agreement. Guarachana made a lot of connections and linkages with UN, uh, former President Sisano, and ambassadors to lobby for support to bring peace in this area. And is in the world is very credible in area of peace building because of that work. Those are things this celebration. After the peace and peace returned to this area, they started working on development issues, rehabilitation, reconstruction. They did a lot of things for the reburial of remains, reconciliation of people, resolving land conflicts, family disputes, to stabilize the community after the war. Now we are upgraded now into production. They are now promoting production of crops, perennial crops like coffee and others in Acholi with the Rwot as being exemplary farmers. They are also promoting education the way which we are now focusing by encouraging bad cultural practices which prevent education of girls and promoting good practices so that our children get access to education. In this regard, therefore, he has decided to dedicate this birthday celebration proceeds to go to the girl child education. So the theme is girl child education, and it is going to raise funds for building dormitories for 250 children, girls, in Pajibika Secondary School, Kitgum High School, and then girl changing room in Paikona Primary School.